So one of my favorite spots to visit in Italy, well, one, you have to come here to the eternal city of Rome. Whether you're seeing the Colosseum, you're going to the Vatican museums in Vatican City, you're seeing St. Peter's, you're just exploring. It is a fantastic city and you really have to come and see it when you do come to Italy. Number two, when you come here, you need to go to Tuscany, and yes, you need to visit Florence. And I know Florence is overrun with tourists, but going to the Academy and seeing David, going to the Uffizi Museum, seeing the bridge when you're there is gorgeous. But if you're going to go, I recommend stay in Lucca and then do a day trip to Florence to save your sanity. Number three on my list of places you have to see when you're here is Venice. Yes, with the Grand Canal and Piazza San Marco and just all the beauty of wandering around those canals in Venice, it truly is amazing. It's something you really have to see when you come to Italy. Number four is actually going down to Bari and exploring around Bari and Puglia, or at least near Puglia, because you have Bari, which is a fantastic city to visit with lots of stuff to see and do when you're there. The St. Nicholas Basilica, you know, ho 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 St. Nick. Yep, that's where his tomb is. But also when you're by there, you've got Metara, which is the stone city, which they built the city, and the town homes were in the caves that are there. And you've got Alberobello, which is with the Trulli houses, which you look like you're on another planet. And then of course you've got the beaches that are by there, by like, you know, Pognano a Mare, which is just gorgeous when you're there. So you have that. And then the fifth place you really need to visit when you come to Italy is Ravenna. And Ravenna is a Byzantine gem. I mean, they have the churches there from the year 500, not 500 years ago, but the year 500 with all the mosaics. It's fantastic. But those are my 5 top places to visit here in Italy.